Hey friends, welcome back, and I hope you are feeling great and ready to do something very exciting. Well, you know how I love to bring the outdoors in? I mean, I'm sure you love to do the same. Well, today, I want to talk about something where it comes to bringing the outside inside the inside? Yeah, something like that. We're talking about building a terrarium lamp. So, get your tools ready and let's make one. So the things you're going to need for this: one, fillable glass lamp or vessel, small stones, horticultural charcoal, potty mix, a small spoon or spade, a terrarium spatula, long scissors, long tweezers, sheet moss or other mosses, a miniature figurine because you want to make this thing cool, a mister, and the plants that work well in an enclosed vessel. I've used an Asparagus fern and a Pepperomia Caparetta red ripple for this particular lamp. First, you're going to want to place an inch of stones at the base of the jar, making sure you spread it evenly. Use the spatula to help with this. Next, place an inch of charcoal on the top of your stones. Then, scoop in your soil, making sure that wherever you're going to be placing in your plants, that they'll have at least an inch of dirt below them. Next, start by adding your plants. Create small holes in the soil where you'll want to place your plants and drop the plants in there. Use the spatula tool for assistance. Next, cut a piece of sheet moss to the shape you want it to cover. Use your tweezers to gently tuck it around your plants. Decorate the insides with additional moss to your liking. The idea here is to make sure that it feels like its own little jungle.
That's what I'm talking about.
So get wild, get creative. I like to add stones or small branches, just little objects that I might find outside. Use your scissors to cut away any dead leaves or ends you don't want. Next, using your tweezers, take your little figurine and place it into the scene. You can either tuck it in a place that will allow it to stand upright or use terrarium glue. Lastly, I like to mist the inside with a bit of water. This water is what will circulate through the lamp as it creates its own ecosystem when the lid is closed. Place the top on and place it in a desired spot that works best for the plants you've selected. I've chosen a spot in my home perfectly for the Asparagus fern and the Pepperomia. This spot gets medium light, and that's what these particular types of plants need. Make sure that the plants that you purchase will thrive in the space you're placing the lamp. Unless your plan is to place a grow light bulb in the lamp, you'll have to depend on the light from a near window to keep your plants thriving. So yeah, that's how you're going to make a terrarium lamp. How cool is that? I hope that this has inspired you to at least make your space more unique and more you. So I hope you guys are feeling great. Please stay safe and of course, stay wild.